Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. We all watch if there was a way to give something that lasts, something that holds the warmth of our simple ideas and the touch of a human hand. The secret might not be in our store, it's in the simple beauty of wood. Um, Think about a piece of wood. It started as a tree, something living and strong. A skilled craftsman sees that trees and brings out its hidden character. They don't just make something, they reveal something. That's the difference with handmade wooden treasures. Each grains, lines, each slightly uneven surface tells a tale. It's a tale of time, patience, and efforts. When you hold it, you don't just feel the materials, you feel the care that went into it. This is why what makes for such a meaningful gift. It says, I did not just pick up this, I thought about you and I choose something unique just like you. It's an instant heirloom, not a temporary trend. So, what are these treasures? They don't have to be big or expensive. Simplicity is the key for a meaningful gift. Think use every day. A custom wooden cutting boards with a simple curved initial, a small smooth jewelry dish for the bedside tables, or even a set of beautiful comfortable wooden spoons for someone who loves to cook. These simple items become part of life. Every time they use that spoons or see that small dishes, they will think of you. The wood edges darkens and gets better over a time, a beautiful symbol of your lasting connections. But wooden teasers are not just for giving, they are perfect for creating a warm, timeless homes in a world of gold, metals, or plastics. Wood brings a natural, comfortable feeling. How do you use them in your decor? Look for an interesting piece of leaf edge shelving, a unique wooden bowl used as a centerpiece, letting its natural shape be like the art. Even a simple candlestick holder. These pieces don't shout, they simply belongs. They add a feeling of being grounded and natural. They don't go out of style, they just become a quiet, beautiful part of the room for years to come. The secret to a meaningful gift or timeless decor is not about the price tag, it's about soul, it's about choosing something made with skill and care, something that connects us to nature and to the person who made it. Choose wood, choose handmade, choose a teaser that will be touched, used, or loved for a lifetime. That's the real magic. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.